Okay, guys.
Mister, wait. Me, I feel good the first. Everyone maybe hear me. Why I like you one? Everybody where they watch now, good morning. Because I know not be everybody they hear baby.
Okay. The owner of Facebook don't talk. Before me greet to her, she said she won't greet to her. Oh, okay, it's fine. Okay, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching from. Thank you for joining our page. Thank you for coming. But wait till we bring us come here this morning. Hey, on another video where we do.
Mm-hmm.
That video where she take talk say she want me make me oh, and so she sabi me. It's okay. Hey, some persons come be like, really? Say me and Isoken. Not sure we dey read comments.
Yes, now
We
well.
dey read comments. You know understand. So if you drop good comments, they say if you drop bad, and I know say my amazing people now good comments and they drop for us. We appreciate you now for that, and for people where they share our live stream.